Okay. Tell me when it's starting. Look at this chaff, treasures untold. How many wonders can one Foster hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, Foster's got everything. He's got 2 sisters and 1 old big brother. He's got a Christmas tree, mommy galore. You want Christmas ornaments? He's got 50. But who cares? No big deal. Foster wants more. He wants to be where the big kids are. He wants to wanna see him playing. He wants to read and sit in a big boy car seat too. He wants to wanna see him dancing. He wants to run on his feet. He wants to jump and jump all day. He wants to be with us.
I love it.